What's up, y'all? It's your boy Gavin, and today I'll be showing y'all my YouTube channel. First, click on YouTube. Let it load first, and then next thing you hit is this right here to GAVINpandaTV. This is all my videos, guys. All my videos. These are my other videos, my shorts, and my videos. They have my shorts, my beginning of videos on Paradise a month. These are my other Minecraft videos, cute puppies, cute singing cat, my other music, the hand runner. It's not my personal music, but it's all the songs that are popular out there. These are people I subscribe to. These are people on my channel. Mr. Beast, my dad, White Stocks, Stampede Longhead, Stampede Longnose, and the other Stampede one. This is my other channel. This is Gavin Panda, the Panda, and Gavin Panda. Stampede, all that. Next thing you do is hit Manage Videos. That means you go to the YouTube store thingy, or YouTube studio. These are my fears, 28 fears, 65 fears, oh my god, 69 fears, shorts. One fear today, my 01, but I'm going to show you my popular one. That's one of them, Super Bowl, with Kendrick Lamar, guys. Pretty cool. I have a live video right now, but I got posts on her. These are my photos I took. New shorts coming tomorrow. That one have nothing right now because most people don't usually go to posts on her. Just watch YouTube videos. That one is 4 videos. I'll upload it. All of them are, except for maybe one, I think. Yeah. This is broadcast. I keep me a new broadcast. I say how to do that after I learn how to do that, okay? Promotions. Why just get started? Then go here. Okay, here. Audience growth. Other fears. Video fears. Oh. No. Whoops. Sorry, guys. But set a video for your channel. I can't do it right now because it's hard to do, but I have to learn how to do it first and then do it. Okay. Next is inspiration date. Inspires. It means things that inspire. Inspiration date. Okay. I said my ideas. This is my deal right here that tells you your fears. This hour, I still got one fear this hour. These are my fears for my last 28 days. This is obvious, one fear. No likes yet. This is how likes. Interest, 3 likes. Fitness for 3 likes. My outro. That's where my video ends. 3. And that's all right there. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all.